Take 4 thick slices of bacon, chop it up, render it nice and slow so you get a good amount of bacon fat. Put to the side. Take 1 sweet onion, chop it finely. About 4 green onions, chop them finely. Put them in the bacon fat and saute them slowly until they're nice and tender. Take some frozen corn, about 20 ounces, add it to your onions. Saute about 4 minutes until it's heated through. Add a cup of heavy whipping cream, about 3 tablespoons of butter, and a cup of your choice of grated cheese. I chose mozzarella. Reintroduce your bacon. I served mine with some asparagus, some lamb chops, some bow tie pasta with Alfredo, and there's the best steakhouse cream corn you'll ever eat. Thanks for watching.